This is Connector God. Connector God connects your memories by connecting you to your former self. Connector God keeps memories safe, so you will never lose them to the tides of life. So those true treasures are never washed away. Connector God connects you to answers about yourself. Connector God can see into the past and into the future. Wrap Connector God's arms around you so you can be connected. Connector God can see every you you've ever been and every you that you will be, to your past and to your future. Connector God can also connect you to strangers, to people who are experiencing exactly what you're experiencing right now, so you can feel reassured and never be alone. Connector God connects you so that you never get lost. When you're done connecting, he's easy to remove. Connector God is easy to install, easy to understand, and always a part of your home so you can feel connected forever.